Show you. Look at this super cute little box here. So this is from Miss Blue. Let me open up and show you what they sent me. I'm so excited about it. Here are the items that come with your order. This is about the quality assurance, customer satisfaction, and that it has been inspected. Here is about the warranty information, the lifetime warranty, and then there's a rewards program. Miss Blue did provide a discount for my viewers. I'll have the code below and also linked in the description box. It came with this little travel pouch here, a cleaning cloth, and a ring sizer. Okay, and so now let's get into the main attraction here. I liked the look of this because it was a wide band. Well, actually there are 4 individual bands, but then they all come together. There are very small stones on each band, but then you can see some larger stones creating some V shapes there. And I just thought it looked really beautiful and really striking. Before I try it on, let me give you a close-up here of the side of the ring so you can see those 4 individual bands coming together here. And then this is what it looks like on the back side. And I really enjoy this. I just think it's really unique. I haven't seen anything, quite like it before. So I love how there are those 4 strands with the moissanites all throughout here and how they join together. And then this is what it looks like on the back side of my hand. This is very comfortable. Sometimes when you have a wider band, you can feel it pinching a little bit against your skin, but that's not the case here. This is a very comfortable fit. If you've been watching my videos before, you know that I mix up my jewelry a lot. What is consistent though in terms of my rings is that I always choose white gold or sterling silver. And this piece is a white gold plated silver. And the name of this piece is the 4-row cluster Moissanite anniversary fashion ring. I really appreciate that Miss Blue is giving us some sustainable options, that this is a great high quality alternative to natural diamonds. They are 100% handmade, and also in terms of details, you do have the option to get your pieces personalized.